Hello everyone, a very good morning. So, as per my brother's suggestion, I decided to make a series of video on Bharatanatyam. So, let's see how I can do it. और कहीं अगर मिस्टेक होगा तो मुझे बताइएगा please. So today I'm going to share with you some of the starting thing that you need to learn before starting practicing Bharatanatyam. So before you start doing Bharatanatyam, you should know that what this dance form is and where it originates, some of its basic knowledge. So see, Bharatanatyam is a classical dance form of India, originated in Tamil Nadu, Tanjavur district. It was a dance form which was originated in the temples of Tamil Nadu. So most of its dance form are associated with the Hindu gods and goddesses, and the name Bharatanatyam, it can be the Bharata means Bha stands for bhav, which is emotion or expression. Ra stands for rag, which is melody, and ta, that is tal, stands for rhythm with dance. Of course, Natya means dance. Now, where does it take its most of its contents? So, most of its contents are taken from Natya Shastra, written by Bharat Muni, some 200 BC to 200 CE ago, and the wider part also claims 500. Somewhere it is 500 BCE to 500 CE. So this is the basic of Bharatanatyam that you need to know in order to start dancing. Now, in my other videos, next videos, we will start some of the basic advus, which I will do in small parts so that it will be easy for you to learn, and some of the basic exercises that you need to do before starting Bharatanatyam, because it's a heavy footwork dance form and you don't need to hurt your ligaments or anything, because if you are starting at a later age, like I started doing Bharatanatyam when I was 26, so people like us need to stretch a lot before doing Bharatanatyam. So we'll discuss on that, and so for now, this is all I wanted to share with you. I hope to see you again in my another video. Thank you. Bye.